definitely. It's not easy. Not only playing against AFC Leopards, when you are 2-0 down against any team, it's not easy for you to come back. And I must congratulate my players. They did a very good job in the second half. And we also missed some very easy scoring opportunities. So we were going to win it, but at the end of the day, I'm happy with the draw. It's not bad.
You see, there are some crucial moments during a game. It's the beginning and the end. And the second half, we concede after 3 minutes, and we concede the draw 2 minutes before the end. But I repeat, I'm happy. That's why I didn't make any change, because I wanted my players to play 90 minutes.